Historic Route 66, the mother taverns here. This is where we're going to have breakfast before we head down. I grew up in New Orleans, so we love these tourist traps. Okay, here's our group just starting the trip, beginning of the trail. And here's where we're going. Okay.
Okay, here we are at the base of Mooney Falls. This is our last stop. This is why we came down those chains. John, why don't you turn around and show...
Okay, I'm going to go up the falls first. Pretty falls. Okay, this last waterfall is Navajo Falls. We confirmed that. The first one that we called Navajo Falls wasn't even on the map.